Doesn't get any prettier than this in November, that's for sure. Fish have been slow though this morning, but I'm hoping they're picking up with this water warming up. Hardly any wind and sun 2 days in a row. Miraculous. Let me get this bass off, about a 2-pounder. I was just getting ready to leave this spot. That's the biggest one of the day, so I guess I'll hang around a little longer. That one's on a ribster. Just a straight ribster. This is about, we'll get him in. About 17. Nice 17-incher on a ribster. I just hit the anchor. I hadn't marked anything, and this big porker came along just as the boat was spinning around on a little bling. No, wait a minute. No, that's my jigging spoon. Jigging spoon. Weber, Mr. Champ. I know just where you can buy some of those if you want one. From me, I have a couple hundred. Look at that big beauty, huh? And that nice spoon. Next cast with the jigging spoon. About a 17-incher. This time this one was 18. He's hooked under the chin. He's been just sniffing it. Ho 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 ho. This is a monster. Oh, let me get you in there, big girl. Get in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, and the lure fell right out. A good thing I used in that. That is a pig. Biggest one of the day, that's for sure. Yeah. Now that is a big bass. Whew. Look at that beauty. We'll measure her up. I'll show you what lure she bit on. I think I bumped off my anchor too, but I'll just hit recharge and it'll go right back where it was. Measure this girl up. Uh, 19 and a half. What a beauty. Back she goes. Look at that. Bye-bye, sweetie. Here's that lure I caught that 19 and a half on. Chinese bling. They quit biting on that big one, so I put this little one on. Well, next cast. Look at this. Another beauty on the Chinese bling. Got it in there. He's got it wedged in. He doesn't even have a hook in him, I don't think. Look how he's got that in there. Got it in there sideways. He's about a 16 and a half. Still biting on the bling. What do we got? Oh, another big bass. Huh? My fave. He slurped her in, it looks like. That's 7 in a row on bling. Kind of like like that the other day too. Oh, this is a big one. You should see the stomach on this thing. I've been eating more than Bling. I hooked 8 in a row on Bling. Last one got off, so I switched back over to plastic. Got a bite right away. Nice thing about the Bling is you can get about twice as many casts a day as you can with the plastic. You work it so much faster. Little guy, 15, 16 incher.
What a beautiful day. Fisher bite was not great, but I had to take my sweater and my jacket off. Fishing in summer clothes today, baby. Water tap got up to 50 degrees in the surface anyway. Headed north.
You know, I just caught a big pike, and the next cast, I got this guy. A little too big to be an eater, I think. I might keep him otherwise. I'll measure him. He's under, what do I got to be here, 17 3/4. It's first walleye today. On a big swim bait. Ooh, this is a good one. Had him on, and another big pike. Had him on, he got off. Whoa! Came right back and bit again. Nice pike. I can shake him off. Well, got it in there pretty good. Alright. That last pike was 31 incher. This one's not as big. He's probably 27. Well, at the beginning of this cast, I had a nice big one on and it got off, and I let it drop back down. I don't know if it's the same fish, but pretty nice walleye.